Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to install XGBoost on your machine using pip. I've been struggling with this for quite some time, but good thing is I found something yesterday and I want to share with you. It's a very quick one and it's a direct from source kind of installment, so not much of a hassle. So what we'll do is we'll start with finding CMD, the command prompt from a machine, and keep it open. Then go to Google Chrome and search for what you're looking for. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to search for uh, pip install WHL files, and it means this is where it will take me. I know what to see, so I'm gonna say WHL XG boost. So I'm hoping it points me to the folder that I'm looking for. Let me just give it another try. Install XG boost from WHL binaries using pip. Hopefully this gives me the right folder. Maybe not, so let me try and look at what I had in the past. So I wrote download WHL and it pointed me somewhere, so I'm gonna write the same here. Install download WHL, and this is the first thing that I get here, which is IFT UCI ETU. So I'm gonna open it. Yes, it says unofficial Windows binary for Python extension packages, and that's what we're looking for, right? So I'll just scroll down to, so you can start with any of these that you want, but I'm gonna look for XGBoost here. So let me see. Where is XGBoost? So it's W, and this is XGBoost, right? So you see that there are a lot of different options that you have here. A few things that we can look at is depending upon whether your machine is AMD or Windows, so it goes to Win or AMD. So I have a window machine with Intel Core i7. I don't know much about it, but I just know that the AMD wouldn't work. And the Python version that is installed in my machine is 3.8. So I know that I'm gonna take 3.8, and then I don't need AMD, so I'll only have this one. So this is here XGBoost, and then I'm gonna just click it to download and save it to a location, which is here for now. So you see I have already downloaded it here. There are two versions. I did the mistake the first time, but this is the one that I'm looking for. So what I'll do is I'll say F2 and select the whole name and then say Control C. Close it here, open the command window. This is the latest one that is here. And then I'm gonna point it so let me see the folder location. This is the folder location. Control C. And I'll say CD control V. Let's see. Okay, it cannot find it here, but maybe I just know what to type. CD e users. Let's see. Okay, and then I'm gonna say CD C slash users slash Nikita dot A dot Agrawal. Oh, come on. This is giving me a headache. I'm just trying to find it from your XG Boost WHL. So this is the one I'm opening. This is the folder location, right? So I'm just copy full path and then I'll say it here CD Control V. So it gives me the full path, but I'm only gonna take it till here. Now what I'm gonna say is pip, because I'm using pip here. So pip install this one. And of course, I know that I'm not needing all this. I'll only need the file thing. Oh, sorry, I think I have Python 3.7, and that's why file that I'm using. Let me see the other one. Okay, so this is giving me 3.7, but I'll just make it 8. And whatever, right? And then you just click enter, and then this will install it for you. This is the easiest way that I have found. Hope you like it and will enjoy it. Just for another check, I'm gonna show you. This is what the file is called. As last time, F2 control C, the full name, and then you happen to paste it here, and then say this. For now, because it's installed, it won't tell me here, but pip install control V, and apparently but this is the best way and the fastest way that I've found to install it. So happy here. This is really an eye opener and a good find.